In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sitelink extensions in Google Ads. Sitelinks are those extra links that appear under your search ad, guiding people straight to high-value pages like pricing, contact, or featured products. They take up more real estate, improve relevance, and can boost your click-through rate when they're set up thoughtfully. Start by opening Google Ads and signing into the account you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct account and have the right permissions, since you'll be creating assets that can be shared across campaigns. Next, look for the section labeled Construction. This area houses tools you use to build and manage creative elements. Interface labels can vary slightly over time, but you're aiming for the place where Google keeps your assets. From there, click into Asset Studio. Think of Asset Studio as the central hub for the components that enhance your ads, things like site links, callouts, images, and more. It's designed to help you create once and reuse where it makes sense, so you can stay consistent and save time. Now, open the Library view. The library organizes your existing assets and gives you quick access to create new ones. It's helpful for reviewing what you've already built and avoiding duplicates. Choose Sitelink to focus specifically on sitelink extensions. This filters the asset types so you're only looking at and working with sitelinks. Click New to start creating. This opens a clean sitelink form so you can build your first item or add more to your collection. Select Sitelink and add the details. Enter a clear link text that tells users exactly what they'll find, such as pricing, book a demo, or store locator. Provide the final URL that leads directly to the most relevant landing page. Avoid sending people to your homepage if a deeper page answers their intent better. If you see optional description lines, use them to add context and benefits, like highlighting free shipping, turnaround time, or a unique selling point. Keep the language concise, action-oriented, and distinct from your main ad headline. Make sure each site link points to a unique page, and keep naming consistent so your team can find and reuse assets later. If you track performance with parameters, add them to the final URL in a clean, consistent way. Preview how your site link appears, double-check for typos and broken links, and then save. That's it. You've added sitelink extensions via the asset library, ready to be attached to your campaigns or ad groups. Give them time to review, and once they're running, compare performance to see which links drive the most value and refine from there.